Hi, my name is Brent, and in this video I'm going to show you how I use YouTube to improve my Spanish. So first, who is this technique for? This technique is for students of Spanish who can already speak some Spanish. You're conversant, you can get by, but you're not as good as you'd like to be. You need to learn more vocabulary, and you're interested in any particular subject. So since YouTube has a huge amount of material, this is a great solution. Now, if you're not yet there, if you're a total beginner and you're wanting to sort of start out in Spanish, I recommend a program like language101.com. It's a very efficient spaced repetition program. It'll get you started, and here's what that website looks like. There'll be a link in the description to that as well. But if you're conversant in Spanish and you want to use YouTube to improve your Spanish, here's a great technique. So let's go to YouTube, and I'm going to go to the search tool here and type in a subject that I'm interested in. For you, this could be any subject you're interested in. I'm going to type in news and then the name of a Spanish news channel. Noticias, Telemundo, and I'm going to go comma space CC. That comma CC returns videos that have closed captioning built in. You see all these CC marks there. That means they've got a transcript. That's going to be very valuable to you. So let's click on this one and we'll take a look at it. Stop it for a second.
Hydroxychloroquine.
I'm taking it, hydroxychloroquine.
Trump se automedica.
Okay, so that's what the news is right there. Now, here's the basic technique. So this is a feature that YouTube has that's not really well known. If you see these three little innocent looking dots right here that are gray, I want you to mouse over those and click on them, and then click Open Transcript. So I'm going to click on Open Transcript. What that will do is that will pop open a transcript in the right side of the screen. Okay, right there. This will work better on a laptop than it will on a phone. So you got the transcript on the right side of the screen. Now, it would be very handy to be able to click on that word and get an instant translation of what it means. Unfortunately, there's nothing built into Chrome or YouTube to let you do that. But you can add a plugin called TransOver, and I'm going to show you that. So you want to go to a new tab and then search for TransOver for Google Chrome and then install this plugin. What that plugin does is let you click on any word that isn't a link and get an instant translation. So maybe I don't know the word prevenir. So I'll click there and it says forestall, warn, caution, forewarn, previse. Okay, so you can stop and click on misma. If you don't know that word, you can click on it, right? Same, very one, like, self-same. This is not as nice as having a translation of the full phrase, but it can be very valuable. This is auto-generated, which means they've used voice recognition to make this transcript. Sometimes you can click here and see that there may be one that's manually made, and you can look at them both and see which one's the most accurate. Sometimes one is more accurate than the other. So what we'll do is we'll go back to playing a tiny bit of this video.
Que la misma FDA ha pedido evitar su uso por los peligros y porque no está comprobada su efectividad. Buenas tardes. Mientras se abre un rayo de esperanza.
Okay, so when you click on here, the audio is wound back to wherever it was. And you've got the translation from TransOver. Mientras, that word is while. So this is, while this is opening, there's one ray of hope, and there is a new vaccine. Okay, I can translate this. This is kind of fun. So that's what you can do with this. So it's basically three dots searching for any subject that you're interested in, comma CC. That'll give you closed captions, and then the three dots to get the transcript displaying. Install the TransOver plugin, and then have fun, watch this as much as you can. Let me give a plug for Telemundo. Telemundo is a Spanish language channel in the United States aimed at native Spanish speakers who are living in the United States. I highly recommend it. You're going to be listening to professional broadcasters professional recorded accents, at least any time you're listening to the broadcasters. That's a very, very valuable thing. And you're also listening to news about places. This is news about the United States in Spanish, so it's a very good channel. I highly recommend it. If you like this video, please go down and click the I like this, and then click the subscribe down here, and then the little bell just to the right. So thank you very much. I appreciate it, and we'll be making more new videos like this about once a week.